Hi, my name is Pavina and welcome to the Palms Laguna Niguel. Today I'll be showing you apartment 1127. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath floor plan. Why don't you guys come on in? This is called the Madrid floor plan. It's 626 square feet. As you enter, you'll walk into a living room that's 10 by 12. Outside the living room, you'll have the patio that's got either a stackable washer dryer or full-size washer dryer. Immediately into the leading in from the living room, you'll have the dining room area that's 8 by 10, or I'm sorry, 7 by 8. And you've got the kitchen with breakfast bar built in, stainless steel appliances. You've got the refrigerator, microwave, and electric stove. You've also got pantry here, floor to ceiling, over 2 feet deep. As you can see, my arms don't barely reach the end of it. And as you continue on, why don't you guys follow me? Here we've got central air and heat. You've got additional storage as well, right outside the bedroom to put your coats or vacuum or any odds and ends you want to put in there. Come on into the bedroom. Here you've got the bedroom that's 12 by 12 square feet, walk-in closet that's got 14 feet of hanging space with built-in shelving, great for purses and shoes and sweaters. Also, immediately in your bedroom, you'll have the bathroom with tub and shower combo. So this concludes our Madrid floor plan. Thank you so much for giving us the time to show you what we have to offer. I would love for you to be a part of our neighborhood. Please give us a call back and we'll be happy to help you. Hope to hear from you soon. Bye-bye.